Hi, Ron Benning, real estate investment expert. In today's 2-minute tips, we're going to be talking about how we can use local market trends to determine how to write the most effective offers. All real estate markets are local, so we can't have any one national news or national trend that's going to be effective in every market in telling you what's happened. So what we do is we use local market trends and statistics.
I'm going to show you some trends analysis reports made by our friends at Trends Graphics. It doesn't matter what anybody else tells you. It all comes down to supply and demand is the most important factor in determining the prices. And if we do not have an excess supply of inventory, the prices are not going to come down. And in periods of time where we do have an excess supply of inventory, we will generally see prices starting to go down. When we look at this chart regularly, it gives us a good idea of what that dynamic is. The second set of statistics we like to look at is the average days on the market and the percentage of sales price compared to the original price. When the days on the market starts to go up, it could be an indication the market is slowing a little bit. When it goes down, it means the market is heating up a little bit. But more importantly, I like to look at what is the percentage of the original asking price that the properties are selling for. So in this example, you'll see they were selling for 106% a number of months back, and you're seeing about 93% in the most recent month. This means the market is definitely a little bit softer, and you might have an opportunity to buy them a little bit below the asking prices in some cases. Another chart we like to look at is the relationship between the current asking prices and the current sales prices. And you can see in this example, the expectations of the buyers and sellers are matching up pretty evenly. In markets where we're about to see a significant change, you will start to see a gap in expectation between what the sellers are looking for and what the buyers are looking for. When you see this happens, this is a good indication combined with some of these other factors that all combined will tell us that we're about to see a change in the market. Lastly, I like to look at the month supply of inventory locally. If there's less than 3 months supply of inventory, irrespective of what's happened nationally, we're in a seller's market. And when we see inventory levels at a 3 to 5 months, in my opinion, then I think it's a neutral market. And when we see inventory levels start to exceed a 5 month supply, we are moving into a buyer's market.
And by understanding these trends combined with what you learned in part 1 of this series, your chances of succeeding are much greater. And in part 3 of this series, we're going to be talking about how we can do specific things within your offer to help get your offers accepted.